How to delete your OKX account step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to delete your OKX account, then first of all launch open your OKX app or website and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you have an access to your email and phone number linked to the account. Before deleting, make sure your account balance is zero. Withdraw any crypto or funds to your wallet or bank accounts. Accounts with remaining funds cannot be deleted, so make sure you get the account ready for deletion and make sure you are sure about the deletion process. Now once you're in the home page after you are done with clearing your balances, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner from the home screen. Now at the top, tap on your username. On the next page, tap on security from the top. Now scroll down from the security tab and look for the close account button under account management. Tap on close account and click on close account on the next page. Select one of the reasons why you are trying to close your account and click continue to close. Now remember that your account will be permanently deleted if you continue with the deletion process. All the trading capability will be disabled, all the API keys and approved devices will be removed. Go through the information first before proceeding with the deletion and click on I understand. Now your account is ready for closure. Click continue and follow through the on-screen instructions. You'll need to verify with any authenticator app if you've set up two-factor authentication. Enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app. You may also need to go ahead and authenticate with your SMS code on the next page. Follow the instructions carefully and once you are done with it, you'll be able to request your deletion for OKX. So after you are done, you'll be able to delete your account permanently. Make sure everything is cleared up before you hit the delete button. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.